Hi there, students. Jovial, an adjective, jovial. Jovially, the adverb. Joviality or jovialness. I think probably more commonly joviality. Okay, if you describe somebody as jovial, you're saying they're cheerful, they're good-humoured, they're upbeat. This is a happy person who is easy to get on with. Yeah, it's a very convivial person. So, well, you could also talk about a jovial party. He's a very jovial host. It's always nice being around jovial people. They make you feel at home. Yeah. Jovial people are normally the life and soul of the party. Yeah, this is the opposite of somebody who's grumpy and solemn. Somebody who's jovial. They're happy. They're always upbeat about things. They're in a good mood. Yeah, it's enjoyable to be with them because they're very pleasant. Yeah, and they're very friendly. Yeah, she's a very jovial young lady. I think this is the same as jocund. I made a video about this the other day, but jocund's much more formal. Yeah, a jolly, merry, happy person is somebody who you would call jovial. The joviality of the meeting made it very pleasant and very easy. Yeah, so jovial, with good humour, with good feeling, friendly, enjoyable. Yeah, so a jovial mood. Yeah, it's nice to be with jovial people. When things are not so jovial, it's not normally quite such fun. Okay, so in a jovial mood is a very good collocation. Yeah. There was much joviality at the party. Yeah, playful, genial. Okay, so jovial, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 6. It sounds a little bit posh and a little bit formal. I think you could definitely use it in an informal, posh conversation. Otherwise, use it semi-formally or formally. And then the origin of this, I think, is quite nice as well. Jovial, this comes from Italian, Giovale, meaning jolly or jovial. But that itself comes from under the influence of the planet Jupiter, Jovialis. Yeah, relating to Jupiter. Jupiter was the king of the gods. Yeah, he's the Roman version of Zeus. And people who are born under the influence of the planet Jupiter are supposed to be happy and upbeat and enjoy things. Ultimately, this comes from Proto-Indo-European due, meaning to be bright, or the heaven, or the skies. So yeah, jovial, good-humoured. Yeah, in a good mood. The opposite of saturnine. Okay, so we spent the evening very jovially. Okay, so jovial. Yeah, his joviality makes him very agreeable. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Jovial, joviality, jovially.